Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change boxers on Real Boxing. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing game on your device. Tap on the Quick Fight option from the top left corner of your screen. On the Quick Fight screen, you will see your current boxer displayed on the left side of the screen. To change your boxer, simply tap on the arrows facing right or left next to the boxer's name. This will cycle through your available boxers. Keep tapping until you find the boxer you want to use. And this is how you can change boxers on Real Boxing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.